Nam Hong pay me bolly. Okay, no? Yijan, Lula, Yiloya. Oh, okay, no? Yeah. Oh, Papa, Milo, Lula, Papa, Loya. Okay, no? So that. Preta they got the Dialogiga, maybe I'm a pay on my Preta de Gole, I'm a pay in the body. So now the Charlie not on payment body, no? This is our pay jam body. Okay? Okay.
In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleep tonight.
The village, the peaceful village, the lion sleep tonight.
In the village, the quiet village, the lion sleep tonight.
Hush, my darling, the peace, my darling, the lion sleep tonight.
Hush, my darling, the peace, my darling, the lion sleep tonight. That's all.
Their pronunciation is good. I like it. I like singing.
Okay, so for me, I think they are state performers. I think not everyone is performing well, but maybe 2 or 3 students are like doing their best, and also especially Joe. I think he tried his best, but everybody was laughing, right? That's why.
Yeah, group of. We over my way. We over my way.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleep tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleep tonight. The village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the quiet village, the lion sleeps tonight. my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't free, my darling, the lion sleeps
If you learn, you become full for your singing, and then don't feel nervous. Don't feel nervous. Your performance, you need to be more active.
But I think you need to, how can we say, like well prepared for your song. Like which parts, like, who would say, like the first part, or like the middle part, or the last part, or something like that. I mean, for what?
Firstly, I want to introduce our group. We are group 3. We are going to respect our judge, our teacher, and our.
yes.
It's okay.
Your dancing is incredible, you know.
Pronunciation is okay, I think. No? But, maybe it might be too exciting. So it's weaken your performance. That's how you say and your performance. Okay, so you need more confidence for singing, dancing. Yeah, I have a lot of confidence. She doesn't look sad. It's okay. Okay, yes, just need more confidence. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's very good.
away my way, away my way. Neither baby, the people baby, the liars leave tonight. Neither baby, the choir baby, the liars leave tonight. Away my way, 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 away my way. My darling, go be my darling, the liars leave tonight. Cause my darling, go be my darling, the liars leave tonight. Away my
You no performer, you know, right? Like, just do like Thailand.
Doing where you need more performance. You need more performance.
Like lyrics, 100% energy and
No, teacher. 100 was there. Thank you, teacher.
We are Group 1. Oh, in my way, 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 oh, in my way. Oh, in my way, 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 oh, in my way. In the tangle, the mighty tangle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the tangle, the mighty tangle, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, in my way, 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 oh, in my way. Oh, in my way, 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 oh, in my way. Neither valley, the quiet valley, the lion sleeps tonight. Neither valley, the quiet valley, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, in my way, oh, in my way, oh, in my way, oh, in my way, oh, in my way. Oh, in my way, 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 oh, in my way.
Mama way. Mama way.
Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh, in my way, 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 oh, in my way. Oh, in my way, 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 oh, in my
Oh, yeah, I just want you guys to work together. So if you dance together, right, like it's better for the audience. I need to draw the attention from the audience. I think it's better.
Amazing. That's it.
Thank you, teacher. Because I
Great.
Great.
Okay, we have collected the score or the votes
from both judges and also from the audience. From the judge, from 3 judges, and the highest score of votes is got by the team or by the group 1, okay, with 89 points among 5 groups. Okay, so let's clap for them. What a good one! So glad you came here. Small mic. Okay. Is that okay? Okay. So.
Okay, wait. Okay, 1, 2,
3. The judge, the audience, also the students, the competitors. Okay, everyone, thank you for participating. Okay.